Gosh, if he only made some kind of noise. If he only had some kind of whistle or bell or something on him. A bell? No, I guess a bell's the only thing that'd work. Hey, fellas, I guess what we ought to do is... No. You suggested it. But it isn't a very good idea because it isn't a very good idea. Is it? It's a wonderful idea. I won't do it. I won't bell again, and you can't make me. You certainly are brave, Sniff. Shucks, it was easy. I just walked right up to him and said, "Look here, Mr. Cat, you put this old bell on before I get mad."